This Brown Fossil Creek Outdoors and Fossil Creek Kennels. Please subscribe to both channels if you're new to my channel. We got holes. We got one there, one there, one there. Here. Where? And this big old giant one you can bury a baby giraffe in, hippo, elephant. Or anybody you prefer to bury. These are all post holes. We're going to be building a 24 by 20 or 20 by 24, however you want to say it. Holes are dug, all string lines put out. Everything's true and square as far as string lines are concerned. We're going to do an extension on this building back behind me. And put a R-panel roof on it. It's going to be basically a big carport, y'all. That building right there has been here since 1980. My dad had it built. It's a 24 by 20. 20 foot, 4 foot long, and 20 foot deep. That's what this one's gonna be. It's just gonna make an extension off of it, and that's it. But I wanted to show y'all kind of what we've been doing today. So, Little Finley Jr., Little Finley River Jr. Myself and my dad mostly. We got the yard mowed. I just got finished. Weed eating and all that kind of good stuff. Little Finley did. Alright, y'all. We'll get back with you when we start setting posts and waiting for concrete to dry. Y'all, I'll give y'all an update. We're tired, man. We got all 9 posts set on the 20 by 20. We just got through setting the posts. We're all lined up and on the string lines. There's a post over in that corner. 3-inch 11 gauge square tubing. I'm so tired I don't feel like picking all them bags up. I don't care if they blow. But anyway, y'all, I'm not videoing it. I'll video some of my welding when I start putting the C-purlins up, the rafters, and putting the metal building, the roof on. But man, I'm wore out. I'm gonna go over here and drink this Gatorade right quick. Go back in the house. Oh. My dad bought too many bags of concrete. I only told him 18 bags. He bought 25 bags. But at least I got some concrete for the dog kennel now. And another reason why I didn't video is my dad and I don't work too good together. We work together good on some projects, but I'm bullheaded. I get it from him. And we clash, especially on building projects. And I build out of metal and he builds out of wood. So I'm the welder and he's more of the craftsman as far as wood goes, because we built that over there. I tried to get him to do this with that lean-to right there for his boat. We built it out of 2x8s and 2x10s and 4-inch square 11 gauge, and that's 28 by 16 or 16 by 28, 28 foot long, 16 wide. So I told him, I said, you're gonna have to trust me. Oh, and another thing, guys, I want to add this in here to the video. Oh, I didn't video it. It was late last night. It's one of them spur of the moment things, but I made some forks for my tractor. That's how I offloaded that from the metal warehouse. It brought it to me this morning. All my metal. I fabricated them forks for that tractor. Now, 3-inch C-channel, standard C-channel, some square tubing, some all-thread rod, and I put a new plate up there because that bucket's a little on the flimsy side. And welded that all up. It was about 9 o'clock last night by the time I got done, so it was dark. And, whew, I'm tired from it last night. But that's our sea purlins. They're 25 foot long. They're only going to be about 24. And then our roofing is over there on the ground. That's my chop saw and all that I'm going to be using. Another little spare metal I got over there I'm going to be using. I'm going to break out the old Miller gas welder to weld this up. I'll be welding in the morning, y'all. So I'll get the old Miller right there. Gotta go get fuel, gas for it. But it'll be cranked up and rocking and rolling in the morning. But y'all, I'm gonna go in the house and I'm all nasty, sweaty, stinking. Tired. Like 90-something degrees today. I've already been welding this morning already, so I had to weld some plates on the bottom of that square tubing so it won't sink down in the ground. And then, and I had to cut all of them, so we'll get back with you. A little short when my battery dies. Got that sea purling up. Got that sea purling up. And then my welder quit. So, you see that little welder, cracker box welder right there? Went to Home Depot. I got 12-3 wire, new plug. Took that welder apart, put 25 foot cord on it, electric cord on it. See that cord over there hanging in that little blue box? Shoved it up underneath the rafters, and that's what I've been welding with. So, yeah. The old 85 Blue Star 2E over there decided it wanted to crap out on me this morning. I think the starter solenoid went out on it. Machine was built in 1985, so, and I put a lot of hours on it, so I don't know what's wrong with it. It tried to turn over one time and then click, 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 but the battery's fully charged, so I think it's the starter solenoid or one of my switches. It could be one of my toggle switches, but my dad's extremely impatient, so him and I kind of clash heads a little bit, so, but see that? Yeah. That goes, just cut it right there. We can bend it over. Yeah, didn't work. Welded it back over and had to get the tractor over here. So, but my leads on my welder, they're only 10 foot long. My ground's only 5 foot, so y'all can imagine on that little cracker box welder what I'm having to do. See that weld up there? What's up, y'all? We got that in there. I took a little break because the Blue Angels and the Thunderbirds are supposed to fly over right over our house. They're doing a flyover in Dallas, around Dallas, all the Dallas hospitals and stuff, and they're gonna do a flyover. They have to come right over my house, go to Fort Worth, and fly over Fort Worth. I'm gonna try and get them on video if they do come over to the house. But so but yeah, we'll get back with you. We're just taking a break to do our patriotic service as Americans, thanking our frontline people and the Blue Angels and the Thunderbirds. Hopefully they'll fly over. I hear helicopters. So, but anyway, we'll get back with you. What's up, y'all? Man alive, I am wore out today. Yesterday was 70-something degrees, middle 70s, windy. Today, 93 degrees, hardly any wind. Well, I got the 2 end caps done. I got that center brace right there, 2 inch in the center there, just to go down. Because I think we're gonna hang something off the end, hang something down, something. I don't know. He wanted to put that up there. And the other end cap, I just got through welding there, right through there. I still got a clamp over there, I see. But it's after between 4:30 and 5 o'clock, and I've been at this all day. So, I mean, we took about 30 minutes to an hour for break during lunch, but I think we're gonna. My mom's making lasagna or something tonight, spaghetti or lasagna. I don't know. I know it's gonna have some deer meat in it. Whatever the meat is, it's gonna be deer. So. I'm tired, y'all. This fat boy is tired. Tired. So what it is, it's a 20 by 24 carport, basically. I think we might. I know we're going to enclose that one side over there, which is the gate side or the road side over yonder. On the tractor side, we're going to put that paneling on it, like that's on the back of the barn. At OSB, I think it's what it is, paneling. We're trying to make, I think, the little city here, I think that they passed a deal where you have to have a permit now to to build anything. But we didn't have to do it on that lean-to over there where his boat is at. And so, I don't know. I know the city was down here earlier. They didn't say nothing to us, but I think they were down there mowing a dead end. So, but anyhow, I just want to give you a little update. All right, y'all. I'll give you some more updates whenever we, I still gotta weld one center brace in and another one up there in between up there. But all right, y'all. We'll talk to y'all later. But we should be done with all the frame tomorrow morning. I just got a text message from my dad, and they said that the rain has been moved till tomorrow evening. So hopefully we can get that welded up in the morning, a couple hours, and then start putting some roof panels on. But alright, y'all. Framing is done. Just for the roof now. Y'all see that? My finger is not the bruise. Slag burn. Burnt my belly. Almost caught my shirt on fire. My dad's about to mark a line so we can get a little bracing that we're going to put the siding on with. I'm going to weld some 3x2 angle up there, 14 gauge, and we're going to screw the siding onto it. So just gonna give y'all next video. You will see us screwing the panels on the roof. So the wind's supposed to be like 30 miles an hour today. It's supposed to rain start raining this afternoon. So we're gonna probably not be able to do anything until tomorrow. Depends on how good the wind, how fast we get the wind. The wind, I got 22-foot panels, roof panels, hard panels, so wind catches those up just like a whirly bird. But anyway, we'll get back with y'all. We got 5 sheets up so far. Dad cut his finger and had to go in there and put a band-aid on it. We still got 2 sheets over there. Yeah, no, 3 sheets over there. The forklift, the tractor ain't, hydraulics ain't working right on the tractor, and I broke my forks a while ago. Slammed down. So we're gonna have to manhandle the other 3 sheets, which ain't bad. But
finally putting a roof on it.
But yeah, anyway, we'll show you when we get done.
That's pretty good time.
Finley Jr. over there. It's done, y'all. We're screwing on the last sheet now. Last sheet's going on. He's up, my dad's up there screwing. You see it first. He's walking up there. Remember to like, share, and comment. Tell me what you think. It's been a time-consuming process. It's taken us all week to do it. We started it Monday. Just myself and my dad and Anthony come over here and helped us finish it this weekend today, this morning. We went hunting last night. And that video will probably come up tomorrow or something, or later this evening, a hunting video. Today is Saturday the 7th, I think. 6th or 7th, I can't remember now what day it is. I appreciate all my subscribers, new subscribers, old subscribers on both of my channels, Fossil Creek Kennels and Fossil Creek Outdoors. Thank y'all. God bless you. Thanks off of you. That's what I designed this building for. This carport. I'll be able to put the tractor on one side and my boat on one side. Y'all can see. Got plenty of room for the tractor and the boat on that side. This side over here, we're gonna park my mom's minivan under it. And maybe, I don't know if we can get Dad's truck in here and the minivan, but definitely the minivan's gonna go in here. Maybe the lawnmower, riding lawnmower. Alright, I'll see what it was designed for. It's what the purpose was made for. So, I thank everybody who watches my videos and comments. I appreciate every one of y'all. God bless you. Thank you.